Hey everybody, welcome to Bushes on the Trail. I'm Al. Christy and I are in Portland, Maine, where we are doing the Odyssey Whale Watch Tour. We're also checking out a couple of restaurants in the area. One has a very unique name, but they both have fantastic food. I hope you stick around. In this video, we are going to be taking the Odyssey Whale Watch Tour in Portland, Maine, and then finishing off the video with a couple of our favorite places to eat in Portland. Okay, getting ready to do the Odyssey Whale Watch Tour. There's Portland skyline.
During World War II, and although all the guns were removed, there still remains a 300-pound 10-inch Parrott rifle, which is one of the longest surviving specimens of Civil War artillery. You can visit Fort Gorges by private boat or by water taxi.
Headlight.
Now up at 1 o'clock, you can see Maine's most iconic lighthouse, Portland Headlight. Located in Cape Elizabeth, it was completed in 1791 and was commissioned by George Washington. It is the oldest lighthouse in Maine, as well as the most photographed, and it stands at 80 feet in height, and the former Keeper's House is a maritime museum within Fort Williams Park.
Out into the open Atlantic.
You might hear a shark and get a little scared, but these guys are actually filter feeders, just like our whales. They consume
Now that is very cool. It's a Baskin Shark. Very uncommon here in the North Atlantic near Portland. Wow. There he comes. It's huge.
There he is, off at about 9 o'clock.
See it?
That means there are 2 minke whales in this area. These guys are thought to live up to 50 years. And another cool fact about them is that their vocalizations can be as loud as jet planes taking off, so up to 152 decibels.
Wow.
That's the bay ball.
Oh, for fun.
Right there.
Those whales are coming up again off at 1 o'clock. Those are the humpbacks. Look off at about 9 o'clock.
Those are humpback, bud. There they are. Back into Portland. All right, coming back into Portland.
And immediately after our whale watching tour, we head down to Luke's Lobster, only a couple blocks away on another pier, right overlooking the bay. Here they have some fantastic lobster rolls. As you can see, they have a lobster roll sampler, which is fantastic, and then the regular lobster rolls. So if you're in the mood for lobster, Luke's is the place to go.
Our last hurrah at Luke's.
And we would be remiss if we didn't mention one of our other favorite places to eat in downtown Portland, and it's $3 Deweys. Now, $3 Deweys is a restaurant and ale house in downtown Portland. They have a wide variety of pub fare as well as some seafood, but one of the best things on their menu is seen right here, and that's the Princess Point Seafood Chowder, one of the best soups and chowder we've ever had in our life. Not only is the food and atmosphere fantastic, but the naming of this restaurant is quite unique as well. The story of $3 Deweys is back in the Yukon. Nights were long and lonely. If a fella didn't want to spend the night alone, he might try one of the local houses of pleasure, where the ladies would smile coyly, point to the following list: $1 looky, $2 feely, $3 Dewey. Okay, everybody, thanks for watching. If you don't mind, hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps us out here on the channel. And we hope to see you back here again for our next adventure at Bushes on the Trail. Thanks for watching.